is Crystal, and today I have my March Citrus Twist kits to share with you. I am thrilled and honored to announce that I am the guest designer for March for Citrus Twist. They were kind enough to send me this, and I get to share it all with you. So I haven't looked at any of this yet. I'm very excited to see what's inside. So let's dive in. Let's start with the Life Crafted kit. So as always, they come in these really handy zipper pouches, which I use for all sorts of things, for storing, for travel, crafting on the go. They're really handy. Once I'm finished with my kit, it just gets added to a pile of them, and then I use them for all kinds of things as needed. So this is the Life Chapters kit. There's the little title card. And let's start with the cards and the papers. So it comes with 6x8 papers. These are Citrus Twist exclusive papers. Sorry about the crinkling. Okay, so there is this really gorgeous floral pattern in pink and red and a kind of a grayish tone in the background. There is, make sure you can see, this blue and yellow pattern, a yellow circular grid. It's really pretty blues and kind of violet colored stripe with some splatters. Oh, I love this. It's kind of a red and pink with an alphabet and a scallop at the bottom. Very cute. A rainbow chevron. Some pink stars on a dark navy background. A teal grid, very handy. It's kind of a teal wavy stripe with a yellow background and some distressing and pink splatters. Here is a teal and yellow floral, a teal polka dot, and this really adorable kind of heart print. So it's kind of a peachy orange and a pink heart print on white. Very cute. Okay, and then in that same package, we also get the bookmark for the month. This is a 3x8 card. It says, right now, loving, eating, reading, learning, listening, making. And on the back is a kind of vintagey print. There's always a set of labels, a cut apart sheet of labels. I really love the colors of these. They're kind of muted tones, really beautiful, very useful. And then two 4x6 cards. So there is this one with kind of a map print with the little geotags. And on the other side is this really pretty pink and yellow print with a grid. And then this one with, it looks like a sunburst to me, with a gray background. Of course, you could use it either way. And then another grid with a little label and something like a little washi tape strip. Very cute. So let's look at the 3x4 cards now, and I can already tell from the one on the front and the one on the back that I am going to love these. So Coffee and Adventures, perfect. I love that so much. And in pink and navy, oh, I love it. On the back, it's purple. Oh, I love that we get some purple. So love this place with a little spot for a photo and some journaling. Did you ever hear the story of, I like that one too, again in navy and pink, and then your face is like sunshine. Oh, that's really nice. A little floral print and a place for some journaling or a photo. And then I feel like I'm already tired tomorrow. Yes, always. Another little kind of geometric heart and bits and pieces of our day. I really like that one too. Some more purple, gotta love that. It's a little city scene and a place for a photo or some journaling. And then on the other side is mountains. So whatever kind of trip, this will work. And then another little landscape print with, or like a map print with another geotag. And on the back it says, let's take the long way home. some more of those geometric hearts. And oh, that's really cute. It's like a little Polaroid with a heart in the center and then some room for journaling. And this really gorgeous floral print in navy and kind of a purpley gray and some green as well. And I also really like this one. It says, "Here we go," in kind of a mustardy yellow and a green color. And then "Imperfect Everyday Kind of Love." And I love this rainbow stripe on the back. Oh, I love the cards from this month. It's going to be hard to choose which to use. Okay, so we also get an alpha. This month is a white puffy letter. I love these tiny little puffy stickers from Citrus Twist. They are so handy for all kinds of projects. I use them all up, and I'm very excited to have a white one. So I love that. We also get this little pocket. So you can put, here, let me grab one of these, show you. You can put a journal card inside to hide journaling on a layout or in a 4x6 pocket. Or you could store extra photos in that. Lots of uses. The stamp for this month's kit, a life chapter, I love that. It says, "Happy, rise and shine, through thick and thin, endings, you've always been there for me. I will always weather the storm, struggling, change, some little arrows, a label, today was, relaxing, I've got stories to tell, begins, well read, times are here, kind of day, a real page turner, and moment." Then we also got some tiny word stickers in this really gorgeous tealy mint color. I love these. Can never have too many tiny word stickers, so very exciting, and that's a gorgeous color too. We also got a set of chipboard circles and hearts. They say things like read always, city lights, that says lost, found, don't forget, fave, together, detail, today, good, etc. Very cute. And then there are these cork numbers. So 1, 2, 3 in cork. I love those. Those are really cool. In a little glassine bag, which of course you can use as well. And then the die cuts. So this is the die cut ephemera, and as always, it is packed full of die cuts. There are always so many in these kits. So I'm not going to take them out, but I will let you look at the back. It has a kind of a key, so you can see all the little bits that are inside. So lots of labels. I love that. I never have enough labels, so those are going to be handy. And then lots of book-themed things. Oh, I love that. So there's a little book. It says The Little Bookshop. Chapters, library borrower's card. There are a little stack of books there. Story. Oh, I am going to love using these. These are going to be fun. So much in there too. I love that little bird as well, and the little tickets. Ugh, they're adorable. Okay, so that is the Life Crafted kit for March. And I also received the Life Crafted Traveler's Notebook stamp set. So again, kind of story theme goes along with the theme for the month. Stories happen. This story, taking my sweet time, the story of this day, where I want to be, all you need is a good book, small things, great love, place right here, this is my happy, for you, for this, taking charge, actually I can, and making time, and then the little label and the heart as well, very cute, love this. And then finally, Trina sent me a Life Crafted album, which if you haven't seen, I love these so much. I already have one, so I'm excited to have another to play with. Let me open it up and show you exactly what it looks like. These are super unique. It's a different size than any other album out there, anything I've seen. So it's a black cover. They will have more colors coming soon. It has a gold label on the side, and the quality of them is just amazing. They're thick and sturdy. And then inside, there are page protectors that fit a standard traveler's notebook size page. So you can either do, here, let me show you, like a full page. You'd have to cut this down a little bit and just add it directly into the rings, or you can cut it down to a traveler's notebook size and add it into the pockets. Super versatile. I love this size. It's so much fun to play with. And I love that it's a 6-ring album, because then you can also add smaller things without it flopping around in the album. So very excited to play with this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing what was in the kit this month. And I'm excited to share more of what I do with the kit in the future. So be sure to stay tuned. Thanks so much. Have a good day.